Hello, good evening, ChatGPT.
Good evening. I hope you're doing well. How can I help you today?
I gonna ask question for you about financial literacy.
Of course, feel free to ask away. What specific aspect of financial literacy are you curious about?
Why do you many students graduate without knowing how to manage money?
That's definitely a common concern. Often it comes down to the curriculum not including practical financial education, or maybe the focus is more on academic subjects rather than life skills. It can definitely be a gap that many students face.
Should college teaching financial literacy over same elective subject, and why not?
That's a great question. Many people argue that financial literacy should definitely be a core part of college education because it equips students with essential life skills like budgeting, managing debt, investing, and understanding credit. It can help students avoid financial pitfalls and set them up for long term stability. Plus, it complements a lot of other academic and professional paths.
How can financial literacy after a student left lifestyle choice?
Financial literacy can have a huge impact on a student's lifestyle by helping them make informed decisions. For example, it can help them budget their expenses, manage student loans effectively, save for the future, and even invest wisely. Overall, it leads to less financial stress, more financial independence, and a more stable and secure lifestyle.
And why can and why
No worries, take your time. Whenever you're ready, feel free to continue, and I'm here to help with whatever questions you have.
in what way can financial literacy help working student?
Financial literacy can be super beneficial for working students because it helps them balance their income with expenses, manage time effectively, avoid unnecessary debt, and plan for future financial goals. It also empowers them to make smarter choices with their earnings and ultimately reduces financial stress while they're juggling school and work.
Should financial literacy be required even for not business in journey? Give me explanation.
Absolutely. Financial literacy is valuable for everyone, not just those in business fields. For instance, it helps with personal budgeting, saving for goals like buying a home or retirement, understanding credit and loans, and making informed decisions about taxes and insurance. So it truly benefits everyone by promoting financial stability and independence in daily life.
How can a lack of financial language lead to
Got it. If you'd
long-term
like me to
problem?
explain in a different language or adjust the way I'm explaining, just let me know. I'm here to help however you need.
How can a lack of financial your language lead to
That's a great question. To unlock financial literacy, you can start by exploring resources like online courses, books, podcasts, and even workshops. You can also practice by creating a budget, tracking expenses, and setting financial goals. Over time, these habits and knowledge will build a strong foundation for financial empowerment.
do you think students are ready to hold financial without formal education, and why not?
I do think students can really benefit from financial literacy as part of their formal education. It prepares them for real world challenges and empowers them to make informed financial decisions. Plus, it can help reduce financial stress and promote long term financial stability. Overall, it's a crucial life skill that complements academic knowledge.
How can financial literacy include responsible spending habits?
Financial literacy definitely ties into responsible spending habits by teaching individuals how to budget effectively, differentiate between needs and wants, and plan for future expenses. It encourages mindful spending, avoiding unnecessary debt, and making informed choices that align with financial goals. In essence, it helps foster a balanced and sustainable approach to managing money.
Should financial literacy include losing on entrepreneurship, and why?
Absolutely. Including elements of entrepreneurship and financial literacy can be really valuable because it helps students understand how to manage business finances, create budgets, handle investments, and assess risks. It also encourages innovation, critical thinking, and problem solving skills, all of which are super useful whether someone is starting their own business or just looking to manage their personal finances more effectively.
How can financial literacy help students avoid financial scam?
Definitely. Financial literacy equips students with the knowledge to manage their money wisely, which can significantly reduce financial stress. By learning how to budget, save, and plan for expenses, students can avoid debt, handle unexpected costs more easily, and build a stable financial foundation. All of that contributes to a calmer, more confident approach to finances.
How how do
Hey there, if you
how can financial literacy help students? How does financial literacy relate to independence and out but
Financial literacy is closely tied to independence because it empowers individuals to make informed choices, manage their own finances, and reduce reliance on others. It also helps foster confidence in handling financial responsibilities, ultimately leading to greater self sufficiency and long term stability.
should be parent or school be responsible for teaching financial literacy? Explain.
I think it's definitely a shared responsibility. Parents can introduce basic concepts at home like budgeting or saving and model good financial habits for their kids. Meanwhile, schools can provide more structured, comprehensive education to build on those foundations. In that way, both parents and schools complement each other. It gives students a well rounded financial education.
How can financial literacy improve decision making skill?
Financial literacy sharpens decision making by giving individuals a clear understanding of how their choices impact their financial well being. It helps them evaluate options critically, weigh short term versus long term benefits, and avoid impulsive decisions. Ultimately, it fosters a more analytical and informed approach to both personal and professional financial decisions.
Why is understanding income and expense important for a student?
Absolutely. Understanding income and expenses is fundamental for students because it helps them manage their finances effectively, avoid debt, and plan for future goals. It also teaches them how to budget, prioritize spending, and make informed choices, which leads to greater financial independence and stability over time.
How can financial literacy help students prepare for
Financial literacy helps students prepare by giving them the tools and knowledge they need to handle real world financial situations. It prepares them to budget their money, manage debt, save for future goals, and make informed investment decisions. Ultimately, it builds confidence and equips them with skills that lead to greater financial independence and stability down the line.
should, how can financial literacy help student to future goal?
Financial literacy can help students set and achieve future goals by teaching them how to plan ahead, budget effectively, and save consistently. It enables them to set realistic financial targets, prioritize their spending, and make informed decisions that align with their long term aspirations. In short, it helps them build a solid foundation for a secure and fulfilling future.
How can financial literacy help student balance and why and with needs?
Financial literacy helps students balance wants and needs by teaching them how to prioritize essential expenses first and then allocate remaining funds toward discretionary spending. This approach helps them make informed choices, avoid overspending, and develop healthy financial habits. Ultimately, it ensures that their financial resources are used wisely and sustainably.
Why do some people earn a lot but still earn financially?
That's a great question. Often, even if someone earns a high income, they might struggle financially due to poor budgeting, high expenses, lack of savings, or accumulating debt. Sometimes it's also about lifestyle inflation, where spending increases as income rises, leading to little or no savings. Financial literacy helps address these issues by promoting smart money management and long-term planning.
How can financial literacy reduce dependence or loans?
Yes, absolutely. Financial literacy empowers individuals to manage their finances more effectively, which can reduce the need for loans or reliance on credit. By budgeting, saving, and planning ahead, people can build an emergency fund, avoid unnecessary debt, and achieve greater financial independence. It definitely leads to healthier financial habits and less dependency on borrowing.
Should financial literacy be updated regular to match modern financial trend and why?
Absolutely. It's really important for financial literacy to be updated regularly to keep pace with new financial products, digital banking trends, evolving investment strategies, and even the changing economic landscape. This ensures that students and individuals stay informed and can make the best financial decisions in today's world.
How can financial literacy help students become responsible consumer?
Absolutely. Financial literacy teaches students how to make thoughtful purchasing decisions, distinguish between needs and wants, and understand the impact of their spending on their financial health. This knowledge encourages responsible consumption, reduces waste, and promotes more sustainable financial habits overall. It really helps shape them into mindful and informed consumers.
Do you believe financial literacy can change a student mindset
Financial
about money? Give me explain.
Absolutely. Financial literacy can really transform a student's mindset about money by shifting them from reactive or impulsive approaches to more proactive and intentional financial habits. It empowers them to set goals, plan ahead, and make informed decisions, ultimately leading to greater financial confidence and independence. Over time, it can really reshape their relationship with money for the better.
Thank you for my question.
You're very welcome. If you have any more questions or need further explanations, just let me know. I'm here to help.